Hi, I am J. Ramanaya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Guntur Engineering College. Today, we are discussing about the topic Unit 2, Lecture 4, Polymer Composites. Here, in this lecture, we are mainly discussing about the topic how to how to manufacturing of metal matrix composites, simply called MMCS. Actually, processing of metal matrix composites MMCS can be classified into three main categories. Here, MMCS mainly manufacturing of three methods. First method, solid state processing. Second method, liquid state processing. Third method, ins- insight processing. In solid state processing, example, power blending and consolidation. Liquid state processing examples, stir casting, spray deposition process. Here in this lecture, we are mainly discussing about the topic to manufacturing the metal matrix composites spray deposition process. What is the spray deposition process? How to fabricate MMCS composites in this method. Here, this is the schematic diagram about spray deposition process. In this process, first heating element, second crucible, third molten alloy, fourth flow tube, fifth atomizing gas, sixth atomizing nozzle, seventh atomized droplets, next deposit, next separate. In this process, how to fabricate MMCS in step by step procedure explained deeply. In this process, particle whisker short fiber reinforcements are injected into the spray, creating a deposition layer of porosity of 5 to 10 times on the metal surface. The depositions are then consolidated to full density by further processing like cooling at 100 to 200 degrees centigrade range for 4 to 5 hours. In the above in this process, to conduct only heating crucible molten alloy place. Next, for continuous fiber reinforced metal matrix composites, matrix metals are sprayed into the fibers as shown in figure. Here the figure. The fiber spacing and fiber layer in this processing method impact the fiber volume fraction and distribution as shown in figure. Finally, the flow figure shows a spray gun to atomize a molten aluminum alloy matrix into the heated zone. This is the processing steps to about the manufacturing of MMCS composites. Next, what are the important applications of MMCS? These are the main important applications of MMCS. Metal matrix composites are also employed in drive shafts, which have higher rotational speeds and reduced vibrational levels. Next, extruded stabilizer bars and forged suspension and transmission components. In the aerospace, next MMCs are very useful to in aerospace industries. Actually, these are very useful to boron fibers are used as reinforcement for the space shuttle orbiter and continuous graphite fibers for the Hubble telescope. These composites permit higher operating temperatures and better efficiency for the turbines. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.